Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export videos on the CapCut PC. So when you're done your editing on CapCut PC and you want to export it, here's what you need to do. So first, click on export at the top. And after that, here you can do some adjustment. You can edit the title of your project, and you can also choose the direction or the folder that you want the project to be saved in here by clicking on the folder icon and then choose the exporting path, and after that just click on select folder. And here you can also adjust the resolution, bitrate, format, frame rate, and others. And if you want to export the audio separately, just click on this box right here and then choose the format that you want, and after that just click on export. Okay, so now the CapCut will start exporting your project. You can just wait until it's done. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.